Today I'll be playing Animal Hospital with my little brother. I did a video with him like yesterday.
Night, actually, dumbass.
You shut the hell up. Okay. Wait, I'm family friendly. Shut up.
You told me shut up. That's not family friendly.
Whatever.
Alright.
Alright, you
Play this goofy fucker.
we're not playing the video. It will be, they'll think we're stealing content. Which we're definitely not. We didn't get this video from It's Really Speed.
I'm stealing your coffee.
Hello, Zeus Wolf.
I got coffee.
Actually, I don't need that right now. Actually, stupid.
What does he need? I need fucking
Alright.
a knife. Alright. I got what I need to kill him.
Axe.
Look.
Axe, don't do it. Don't
Okay,
do it,
I'll
Axe.
use this.
He's taking his time.
Yo, slow ass motherfucker.
Alright, you got that.
Okay, I got it. From here.
I'm getting the medicine though.
Okay.
Because last time we played, you killed like 3 patients.
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
Birds.
Oops.
Nope.
Uh-huh.
Let's go.
Oh, dang it. I want to kill this guy.
Alright.
I'm killing you. Come here. Where are you? Come here. Come here. Come here. Wait, let me check the camera.
I'm gonna try to make this raw, unedited footage because, like, I just feel like it.
Hey, how the fuck do I check the cameras?
Room 2. Let's go to room 2.
I got room 2. I got it. Alright. Now go.
They should buff their speed. I'm not gonna lie.
True.
Alright.
I got this.
No idea.
Do you wanna die? Come here. Come here.
Because it was the same thing.
Guess what? I can kill this patient. Done before I do it again.
Right up. Wait. Oh shit, the doctor's arriving.
I'm gonna stab him.
Wait.
Come here, doctor.
We just left the patient in the room. Talk to him. Hello. I was gonna close the shutter on him, but never mind.
I'll tell you if there are any enemies or not.
Should I buy the gun?
Hey, I'm best.
Should I buy the little
Why are you best?
the little gun? Should I buy the
Yes. Yeah, there's a goofy.
Bet that not playing.
No, he's good. He's good. He's good.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
No, he's good.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Adoption center. Adoption center. Adoption center right now. Adoption center right now. Adoption center. Adoption center. Axe, no! You're gonna kill us all.
I don't care.
We're out of service, go. No one's home. No one's home. Go home.
No.
Go home.
I put an ID for him.
Bro.
What?
this dude's gonna kill us all. Alright, fine, that's your problem.
Alright. Hey, Ooga Booga boy, come here.
So, beware, Axe might kill you.
What? Fuck yeah, I'm gonna kill him, duh.
Language!
He gets Band-Aid.
What the f are we doing?
I'll put my special cream on his face.
Hey, yo! Pause! Pause!
What do you mean? There's no pauses there.
Pause!
No. Die.
Someone has started a ritual. I told you not to do.
Yay, ritual war.
Wait, what? You're handling that.
Nope.
I'm gonna take this innocent little person. You know what I'm saying? And we're just gonna go in here.
I'll kill this guy.
No! Axe, you're stupid! Axe, what the fuck? And some demonic person is doing a fucking. Nah.
Bye.
Nah, get the fuck out of here.
Fuck off. Okay, see, he's fine.
Yeah, but we got 2 deaths.
How?
And 1 ain't even our fault. I'm speechless. I'm not cutting that out of the video, by the way.
Okay.
I'm gonna get you canceled.
I have this.
Which I know that's a lie.
No, it's not. Justin's friend gave it to me.
Or the myth real.
Hi, Mouse.
Don't judge a person by their identity. It's his friend.
He's going to room 3.
Yo, I did. Hey, go help Matthew out because I think this is Matthew. Oh yeah, you spoiled it. I don't know what to say.
Okay. We're 8 minutes in the video. We're gonna go like until shift 5, and then I'm gonna take a nap because I'm tired.
Why is there a visitor in here? Dude named Peanut Ant. Yo, these are some god awful. Okay,
Oh crap, the doctor's arriving.
I'm doing the microwave.
Did you really want to be calling him 3 question marks every time?
Oh boy. I wonder why, Axe. I wonder why.
How much money did you make?
Don't even give me that.
I made $1 because you're stupid ass let someone do a ritual. and you killed somebody. I wonder why, Axe.
Yes, wrap it up. I'll get in there. We could just allow them.
We're getting paid minimum wage. Yo. Alright, you take that appointment. Hey, Timmy, I know we took your lollipop, but it's time to leave now. Timmy, let me take some coffee real quick.
Go to room 8 since you've never done that one before. It's a surgery. Oh shit, I got a boss. Okay, let's brainstorm.
We are so cooked. Wait, there's a room 8? Oh god.
Oh shoot.
Bro, I just got 1 minus job stress. I just got 1 minus job stress. That's crazy.
Running in. Do the ones with the timer on them.
Oh, never mind. We're out of service.
What the fuck is that?
You need to leave.
This dude getting chased by a mecha chameleon demon. Okay, I thought I'm facing first. I don't care. Are you serious? You're dying at the Get grip. I was going taken by a shadow demon because you're thirsty. Oh, you're the anomaly, I think.
No. Bro, did y'all hear about the new Roblox update? So stupid.
Yeah, get the fuck out. What?
Like, I'm not age checked, but I should be in Roblox Kids. What? Yeah, he's good.
Free odds, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Oh, what are you doing, bro? Watch you. This game ain't so bad, but you have a gun.
As Mario jumped that bit.
Room 5. I gotta give him maple syrup.
Bro, chill. There's no demonic person in there.
I'm killing this bitch. Fuck.
Ah! Yeah! Y'all didn't hear anything.
Fuck.
Behold, our chicken steak with 100% Angus steak and Cooper cheese.
X, you stupid idiot. Alright, I'm gonna end the video off there. Off there. Stay tuned for more. Anyways, I'm Nodix and I'm out. Peace.